Back to the news track. The probe into the Sushant Singh Rajput death case has now turned into an all-out turf war between the Bihar and the Maharashtra police. In the latest, the Patna city superintendent of police, who reached Mumbai late last evening to join the Bihar police team, was forced into quarantine. The interstate battle over the death of a film star is intensifying, and the opposition is levelling the charge that the Mumbai police is deliberately obstructing the probe because it has something to hide.
"50 days since Sushant Singh Rajput's death, and now playing a starring role in the quest for answers are policemen from Mumbai and Bihar, who've spent the last fortnight in an escalating battle, not for the truth, but against each other. And now the khaki versus khaki fight has hit an all-new low. Vinay Tiwari, an IPS officer from Bihar in Mumbai to probe the Sushant case, claims he's being forcibly quarantined by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. He flew from Patna to Mumbai on Sunday to probe allegations by Sushant's family.
लगातार हमारी टीम काम कर रही है, क्योंकि इन्वेस्टिगेशन की अपनी प्रक्रिया होती है, उसमें अगला स्टेप सुपरविजन होता है, उसी के लिए सुपरविजन के लिए एक सीनियर ऑफिसर को आना होता है, तो उसी क्रम में मुझे यहाँ भेजा गया है.
But late Sunday night, the officer was allegedly forced into quarantine, sparking the latest and most high-level crossing of swords between the two state police forces.
Everybody understand. So there's no need to, comment. I'm trying to get in touch with DGP Maharashtra. I have already tried his number. He didn't pick up. Again, I'm trying.
So what do you want, sir? Finally, what do you want here, sir?
I want fair investigation, impartial investigation. I want justice for Sushant and nothing else. I don't have any personal interest in this.
जैसा मैंने कहा कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन का अधिकार तो जो हमारी जुरिडिक्शन में कोई भी केस होता है हमको ही होता है, और अगर किसी दूसरी जुरिडिक्शन में केस किसी को कंप्लेंट प्राप्त होती है, द प्रोसीजर इज दे हैव टू ट्रांसफर द केस टू अस, एंड द राइट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज टोटली विद द लोकल पुलिस, एंड द कोर्ट, द jurisdiction is also of the local court.
The alleged forced quarantine has raised temperatures that have already been simmering. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation says it has only followed strict COVID-19 protocol and that the Bihar officer has been asked to apply to the competent authority for quarantine exemption. But the move has already brought the political weaponry out. The BMC claims Bihar cop Vinay Tiwari was to be stamped at the airport as per central government guidelines, as he declared the duration of his stay as being more than 7 days in Mumbai. Tiwari allegedly refused to get stamped, saying he's an IPS officer. When this was escalated up the municipal authority chain, an officer went to the SRPF guest house where Tiwari was being accommodated by the Maharashtra police. When Tiwari failed to produce an exemption letter, he was asked to remain in quarantine until he could obtain one, triggering this new khaki-on-khaki face-off. Sushant's US-based sister Shweta Singh has reacted strongly to the BMC's actions, asking, "What? Is this even for real? How can an officer sent on duty be quarantined for 14 days?" As the tug of war between the state police forces continues, the war of turfs, political intrigue and salacious allegations plays out, with the men in khaki front and center. With Divyesh Singh and Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai and Sujit Jha and Rohit Singh in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, Sushant Singh Rajput's father has made an explosive claim that they filed a complaint to the Mumbai police on the 25th of February, saying that Sushant's life was in threat. This complaint was sent to a DCP in the Mumbai police. India Today has accessed a copy of the complaint made via WhatsApp by Sushant's family to DCP Paramjeet Singh Dahiya in the month of February. The complaint filed on the 25th of February clearly mentions that Riya was controlling Sushant and all his business affairs. She even fired all people loyal to Sushant and instead hired, quote-unquote, her own stooges. The complaint also mentions that Riya took Sushant to a resort on the pretext of curbing depression, and since then Sushant was on a downward hill. It further claimed that Sushant had surrendered to Riya and that the family felt that Sushant's life was at risk. So now Let's listen in to Sushant Singh Rajput's father, who came out in public for the first time.
25 फरवरी को मैं बांदा पुलिस को आगाह किया था कि मेरे बेटे सुशांत की जान को खतरा है, परंतु उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। 14 जून को जब मेरे बेटे की जान चली गई तो हमने 25 फरवरी में नामित लोगों के विरुद्ध एक्शन लेने को कहा, परंतु 40 दिन के बीत जाने के बाद भी उन्होंने कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की। हार होकर मैं पटना गया और अपने थाने में केस FIR दर्ज की। पटना पुलिस तुरंत एक्शन में आई और परंतु मुजरिम अब भाग रहे हैं। हम सभी को चाहिए कि पटना पुलिस को मदद करें। मैं श्री नीतीश कुमार जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री बिहार और उनके सहयोगी मंत्री श्री संजय झा जी का आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
Now, the latest piece of information we have is that the Mumbai police has responded to the WhatsApp messages that have been made public by Sushant's family, and they've put out a note to say that the family was asked to file a written complaint, saying that you can't just file an informal complaint. If you want action, you need to file a written complaint, and this had been clearly communicated to the family. Sahil Joshi joins us. He's our Mumbai bureau chief leading our coverage on this story. Divesh Singh is one of our top reporters in Mumbai. Sahil, to you first. Explain, you've got the family levelling this charge that they informed the Mumbai police in February that Sushant's life was apparently in danger. Now you're hearing from the Mumbai police, which apparently wanted a formal complaint. What happened then? What happened after that?
Rahul, you rightly said. I mean, any complaint can only be entertained if it is given in a written format to the police. Only then the police can go further and take some kind of an action. But in this form, it was a informal WhatsApp message to a local DCP, that is a DCP from Bandra. The DCP duly called back and informed them that you should be writing an official complaint. Only then police can act. Police cannot just act informally and call Riya Chakravarti and ask her to stay away from Sushant Singh Rajput. Whereas both of them are grown up and they are in the relationship. So they should be making an official complaint if they have any kind of a fear. Then the police can launch an investigation, which according to Mumbai police never happened. There was no official complaint or a written complaint ever given to Mumbai police. That's what the Mumbai police is saying at this point of time. They also said that when asked after the incidents to the Sushant's family that if they still have to make any kind of a complaint, the family refused to do any of that sort. The first statements given to Mumbai police does not mention any of the things which has been mentioned now in the complaint.
So Divesh Singh, that brings me to the question, what's the Mumbai police's investigation now saying? Because they were going all guns blazing, calling in one Bollywood biggie and after initially, and then ever since the family leveled the charge against Riya Mukherjee, Riya Chakrabarti, we've seen the Mumbai police's investigation flounder. Where is it going? What have they found so far?
Rahul, Mumbai police was investigating after the ADR was registered, and there had been several allegations. There have been several theories on what led Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step of ending his life, and that is what was being probed: professional angle, business angle, and also if he was into any monetary distress, that was also being probed, and that is why the chartered accountant was also questioned. His statement was recorded. Each and every person who had worked with Sushant Singh Rajput in professional capacity, they were questioned. The angle of professional rivalry was being probed earlier, because the family, as Sahil pointed out, had not made any official complaint or had not even made any allegations that any person was responsible or any particular person drove Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step of ending his life on 14th of June. Though Riya Chakrabarti's statement was recorded twice, his bank statements were analysed, Sushant's bank statements were analysed, his chartered accountants were spoken to, and also his lawyer, people who had worked with several other filmmakers whom he had spoken to or was about to work with them, like Rumi Jaffrey. He was to sign a film after the lockdown got over. He was to sign a film with Rumi Jaffrey. He was also called in and he was also questioned.
Okay, Divesh Singh and Sahil Joshi, thank you very much for joining us with those updates. This case is getting murky, and unlike many of the other networks who already decided which side of the story they're on, that's not how we do our reportage on India Today. We will track both sides of the story as dispassionately as we can. We have no axe to grind, and no bone in this race. We will continue to track every aspect of this story and every other story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.